Hi guys, welcome to our channel. So we are again back with some of the job updates. Mostly all the job are of software development roles and few are internships. So let's get started. So the very first job is from Wipro, and they are looking for engineer grads of 2020, 2021, and 2022. So they call it as Wipro Elite National Talent Hunt. The requirements are you should be having 10, 10, 12, 60% and above, and you should be having degree except this fashion technology, textile engineering, agriculture, and food tech. Also, one backlog is allowed, and you should be having 60% or 6 CGPA and above. So they are offering the position of project engineer, and the CTC that they are giving is 3.5 lakhs LPA, and you need to sign a service agreement of 12 months, which is 75,000 on pro rate basis. So how will be your rounds? There will be registration, then assessment, then business discussion, then you will be given out offer letters. The next job update is from Epicero. So they are looking for associate software engineers and software engineers. The position that they are giving is software engineer, and you need to be a pass out of 2021 and 2022. The role it will be a full time role, and the workplace will be pan India. They have many offices in Pune, Bangalore, Hyderabad. Also, you can go and check out our video on Epicero. The link will be flashing up here. Before moving on to the next job update, Unacademy has brought the SNAP special test, which will help you for the practice and preparation of SNAP exam in the coming days. So it's on 18 December and the time is 12 p.m. There will be 60 questions in 60 minutes, and there are chances of for winning Amazon gift cards of prizes 10,000, 5,000, 3,000, and you may also get a chance to win a scholarship uh, up to 100%. Also, the test will be based on Snap format. After the test, you will get a detailed video solutions by top educators. There will be a real-time all India rank of you guys competing with all others giving the same test. And as I said, you will be getting a chance to get a 100% scholarship on an academy. And the test will be available on Android and web. Preferred is web, and lucky participants will get the gift vouchers as mentioned, the Amazon gift vouchers. So mark the date. The date is 18 December, 12 p.m. There will be 60 questions in 60 minutes. If you guys are preparing for CAT and OMAT 2022, then new batches are starting from today. The batches named are AIM and Dynamic Batch for CAT and OMAT 2022. The link will be in the description box below. You can go and check it out. Also for ZAT 2022, there will be All India mock test offered by Unacademy for ZAT 2022. You can come up here, register with your mobile, and start the mock test. All India mock test series for ZAT 2022 will start from 19th, and there are total of two tests which you can give on 19th and on 26th. The next job is from Cisco. They are again looking for software engineers, internal applications, new grads. So as it is a new grad, only 2022 people are applicable for it. So you should be proficient in C, C++, Golang, Java, in any of the one language, and you should be working efficiently with collaborative teams, and you should be having the ability to work cross functions in solving complex problems. Now, as it is a software development position, so you should be also clear with DSA, algos, and lot more. And as it is Cisco, it will give a package of 10 LPA and above. So here are the criteria. You should be 2022 pass out, you should be having 8 CGPA and above, and you should be comfortable in fast paced and dynamic environments. The next thing is an internship from Cisco as well. They are giving a role of marketing specialist intern. It will be of 8 to 12 weeks starting from April 2022, and only 2023 grads are eligible for it. So what they are looking for, they are looking for person who is pursuing degree in marketing analytics, business administration. It's he or she should be having CGPA 7.5 and above. Only 2023 batch is eligible. Your communication skills must be excellent, as you will be dealing with clients and all, and you should be having the knowledge of analytics, content creation, marketing, etc. Himalaya, many of you might have heard it as a medicine brand, but it also offers a software development role. So it's giving an internship software engineering role. So the job description is mentioned as above. The requirement is he should be a BE in computer science or IT, or an MCA. Now excellent in analytical skills and mathematical skills, also good in communication. Also, he should be having a knowledge in development for Java, BI stack, AI, ML, etc. Next one, our favorite, Mastercard, giving a role of software development engineer. It's a full stack development role, so you should be familiar with front end as well as back end. And since they are talking about full stack development, so you should be knowing HTML, CSS, Java, Spring Boot, Spring Cloud, also some of the JavaScript languages like Angular, React, and all. Knowledge of this many technologies might be beneficial for you while applying for HD in Mastercard. And also, they have written that having the knowledge of REST API development will be a great. So the next job update is from HSBC. So they are giving a role of trainee software engineers. The qualifications, as you can see, is listed here. And if you want to get more details on HSBC and how to crack it, you can check out our interview experience. The link will be flashing up here. That's it for the video, guys. All the links will be in the description box below. You can go and check them out. Also share it with your friends, those who are looking for jobs, especially software development jobs. And we have put up some internship jobs too. You can share it with your juniors. And if you are liking our content, don't forget to hit the and if you and you and if you guys are liking our content, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn the notification bell on. You will stay updated with all our latest content. Also if you want to stay tuned with all our latest jobs, vlogs, and contents related to the channel, you can join our Telegram channel. The link is in the description box below. तब तक के लिए टेक केयर एंड प्रिपेयर वेल.